Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Anil Kishore. I got my doctorate degree from IIT Bombay, and I do have a master's degree in biochemistry as well. And I'll be your GATE biotechnology instructor, and I'll help you prepare for your GATE biotechnology 2021. Broadly, the GATE syllabus for biotechnology is divided into 10 topics, starting with biochemistry, microbiology, cell biology, molecular biology, and genetics. We have analytical techniques, immunology, bioinformatics, RDNA technology, plant and animal biotechnology, and bioprocess engineering and process biotechnology. Now, these are broadly the 10 topics which we'll cover in the next few months, and hopefully by the end of it, you will be experts in each of these topics, and you will do well in your GATE Biotechnology 2021 exam. Now, frequently asked questions. So there are a couple of questions students keep asking me frequently, and believe it or not, these are the two questions. Which topic should I focus more, and how many questions can I actually expect in a specific topic? These are the two questions. I've trained a number of batches, and I keep getting these questions more often. And frankly, I don't have an answer for this, and I'll tell you the reason why I hesitate to answer this question. So let's take one topic, for instance, microbiology, and look at how many questions were asked over the years. Okay, so if you just plot this graph where we are looking at years, okay, versus the number of questions that were asked starting from 2011 all the way to 2020 in one topic, which is microbiology, you will see that there's no consistency. Okay, the number of questions asked each year varies. Okay, for instance, take 2017, there were 7 questions asked for microbiology, and in 2020, just 3. Okay, so there's no actual consistency there. So it becomes very hard to, uh, you know, tell someone to focus on one particular topic because of that reason. Not just the number of questions allotted, even if you look at the marks allotted for each topic, for instance, let's take microbiology again. So you see this, there's no consistency. The purple one is the total marks allotted for microbiology over the years, starting from 2011 all the way to 2020. So you see the purple one, there's no consistency there. Even the marks allotted for each topic, there's no consistency. So not just for microbiology, you can look at various other subjects. For instance, I'll give you another example for biochemistry. You see, over the years, absolutely no consistency. Of course, for biochemistry, the last 3 years, like 2018, 2019, and 2020, there was some consistency of thoughts, but largely there's no consistency in the number of marks actually allotted for any specific, the number of questions asked in any specific subject, or the marks allotted for a specific subject. So it becomes hard to actually ask the students to focus on a specific topic because of this reason. Now, having said that, if you look at the average percentage of marks allotted over the years, okay, if I take the average from 2011 all the way to 2020 and look at the graph here, you will see a graph like this. So this is the average marks distribution. So this is the average for the last 10 years. Okay, so you can see bioprocess engineering and bioprocess biotechnology has the highest number of marks allotted. This is the average for the 10 years. So it's almost 19% of the marks, of the total marks are actually allotted for bioprocess engineering and process biotechnology. This is a very vast topic, and there are many things that we need to cover here, which makes it, since the topic is too big, the more marks allotted to this topic. It makes sense. And if you take biochemistry, so biochemistry constitutes around 17% of the total marks which are allotted for the GATE biotechnology. Okay, and that's a huge number. 17% is a huge number. And I would focus more on biochemistry than bioprocess engineering and process biotechnology, because the number of topics that you need to cover under biochemistry is very small when compared to the number of topics that you have under bioprocess engineering and process biotechnology. So in terms of your preparation, biochemistry is a safe bet, because like you can see here, this is an average for 10 years, and 17% of the total marks on an average is allotted for biochemistry, and the topics that you need to cover are relatively few. Okay, so with this introduction, we'll start off with our first topic, which is biochemistry.